Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I'm going to unbox and show you some ideas of what I'm going to be doing with all of this. And then future videos I will absolutely be using this. So what this is it is an Amazon company, Renfio, that sells glitter, mica powder, crushed glass, all of this really cool stuff. And they sent this to me to review for you. I got a little bit of everything so that I could show you, or tried to get a little bit of everything so I could show you the wide range of products that they have. Definitely check out their link, their Amazon link below, to check out their website. Yeah, they have so much stuff. It was hard picking what I did, but let's get started. I'm going to save these two for last because these are actual sets. They sent me two big sets, and we'll go through these real quick. I'll give you some ideas at the end of what I might be using this for. I use glitter and now broken crushed glass in mixed media, junk journaling, resin, anything like that. Also paint, you can use it in paint. So many things you can do with this. So let's start with this one. This is, I don't know if you can see it, but they are Mickey Mouse shapes. Let's see. Woo! Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know, let me get some light on that. What do you think? Love that sparkle. I'm going to be making a mess with this. So little Mickey Mouse heads, absolutely love that. We'll be using that in my journaling for sure, and mixed media. So that's one. And then we have, this is their Ultra Flying Glitter in pink blue. So this is really cool because depending on how you look at it, it changes colors. So, and of course your lighting. So how gorgeous is that? I'm going to be making a mess. Gives me a mermaid feel. I really love that. Next up we have this purple fine glitter. And this one is the same way. It changes based on the light. And this one is actually mermaid. So it's got a purpley blue, really close, in fact, I think they're really close to the same color. I love that. Let me open it up and show it to you. Ooh. How cool is that? Okay, next we have this glitter paint additive. Add sparkle to paint and wood varnish. So I thought that would be kind of cool to add to some of the mixed media. Let's see if I can get just a little bit. Oh, how pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Do you sense a trend here? Mostly purples. Next we have the boxes. So those are all the bags. Keep this here so you can see them. Next we have chunky glitters. This one is in the color Magic Opal, and this one is in the color Pearl White. You see that they are different. Oops. How cool is that? This is a huge container. For me, this would last forever. A little less light. There you go. How pretty. Oh, that's a lot. It is gorgeous. Oh, I guess I want to remove that white thing so I can use it as a shaker, right? Ooh, what a mess. Oh, glitter everywhere. Okay, Next is this one. So this one reminds me of snow, and I thought it would be, oh, it does have the same size in it. It's just the itty bitty ones are sticking to the side. So it is still the chunky glitter with those big pieces in it. It's just a pure white color. What was the color again? Pearl white. Pearl white color. So, sorry about the bounce. Just adjusting the lighting. So, there you go. That one's really pretty too. Will come in handy for snow effects for sure. Okay. Next we have the mica flakes. Mica flakes are great for scrapbooking, junk journaling, things like that. Looks like I got a blue. Ooh, pretty. I have a white one now, so I got a blue one from them. And they're just flakes, so they're flat. I don't know if I can show you just... Obviously ignore the white that's still on my hand. There you go. The next one is a mica powder. And I really like mica powder because you can make your own watercolor paints. But also it looks really cool in resin. And paints for that matter. Oh, it comes with a cute little scoop. So I'll put this over there. And this is our mica powder in purple. Oh, the actual color is deep purple. I'm going to be slow because I don't want to get it all over the place. How gorgeous is that? We're going to have to make a paint out of that. You see how pretty that purple is? It looks a little blue on video. It's a gorgeous purple color. Tell me if it looks purple to you. It's like a deep, deep purple. Then they also sent a set of their broken crushed glass and the glitter. So this is their holographic ultra fine. So this is really pretty, and they got a little bit of everything. So it comes with some popsicle sticks. How gorgeous is that? So it's holographic glitter. Take a look at those beauties. And there's 28 colors. I don't even know where to start. So it's just, or not just, it's the fine glitter. But look at how it shifts color. I think this one's their laser purple. Yep, laser purple. Fell in love with that color when I saw it on their website. Laser light purple. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then they sent me 32 colors of broken crushed glass. Now, to those of you that don't use this, that might seem a little weird, like it's going to be sharp, it's going to cut you, anything like that. But it does not. It is smooth. I actually love using broken crushed glass in my mixed media. I'll show you an example here in a second. Because it adds a dimensional effect that I absolutely love. Oh, this one's already open. So it has 32 colors in this pack. because who can decide, right? If you're using it for like the cups, glittering the cups, tumblers, you definitely want to get these beauties. But for me and mixed media, these are amazing. So this comes in a lot of different colors also. This one's indigo, this one's coral. Almost looks like rocks. But let me show you, what would be a good one to show you? Let me show you this one. This is the mint green crushed glass. So, not sharp, gorgeous. Look at that sheen. Definitely worth trying out. I highly suggest getting the crushed glass because, here, let me find, okay, so this little piece that's already posted on my YouTube has a mixture of, and this is a different brand glitter. I haven't started using these yet, but I just wanted to give you an example of the crushed glass inside with the glitter. This one has, so here you can see the crushed glass. It's not sharp at all. It's kind of smooth and adds an extra layer of dimension on top of my artwork. This one is mixed with a chunky glitter. Again, another brand. We don't need to talk about that, but I just wanted to show you examples of what I'll be using this for. So this is chunky glitter. And this is from a long time ago. Chunky glitter mixed with gel medium to do it as kind of like a paint. So absolutely plan on doing something like that. And then I believe in this one that I just posted, my tag, oh yeah, here, this is a good use of the crushed glass without any glitter. So just see how it's a clear one, but you can see how it gives it some dimension and just adds, I don't know if you can see how high that is. There you go. Just adds an additional layer of coolness, because I don't know what else to call it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Let me know what your favorite one was out of all of this. And if you have any ideas on what I should make, absolutely let me know. I do mostly mixed media, junk journaling, things like that now, but I'm open to suggestions. I do have resin. I will absolutely do some kind of a resin project. In fact, I think I have something I can use the Mickey Mouses in. So stay tuned as I create many more videos with this glitter. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, Future Jen here. I actually want to make some paint. So I'm going to show you how I make some paint. You don't want to inhale that, so be careful when you open it. This is gum arabic in liquid form. So you want to add, oops, I made a mess already. You want to add same amount of gum arabic as the mica powder. So I'm going to add that much, just eyeballing it, that much gum arabic. I'll show that to you. To my container. And I think I'm going to do 2 or 3 scoops of this mica powder. And then I'm going to put the lid on it. I'm going to shake it up. And then I will show you how cool it is as paint. You can let this dry, and then when you use it with water, so it'll dry kind of like this, or it dries a little bit hollow in the middle, but then you can just put water back on it and use it as watercolor. Close that, I'm already making a big enough mess. Look at how cool that looks. The camera can focus. There we go. Messy fingers. Okay, so I'm going to stir that up. I'm just going to use the back of the spoon. I might have added too much powder and not enough gum arabic. Should have stopped at 2 scoops. 2 scoop. So let me add some more gum arabic, not too much though. I want it to have like an acrylic paint consistency. Or at least I want it to have an acrylic paint consistency. I don't know. Make it however you would like it. And then it'll dry up nice and pretty. I'm a mess today. Sorry about that. Smooth frosting like. Not chunky. Look at how pretty that is. A little bit more, and then I'll get out a paintbrush and paint it for you to show you what it looks like. Okay, so super pretty. And then I'm just going to get some water on my paintbrush, just like I would with watercolor paint. Make sure I clean that off. You need the gum arabic to make it stick, so you need some kind of a binding agent or binder that has too much water in it. So let me try again. There you go. Nice, pretty, smooth. And then you can use it just like watercolor, or you can get the lighter tones. The more water you add. Very light wash at the bottom. Let's try that real quick. There you go.